Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick video lesson here on multi-day breakouts and what to watch for. This is an extremely predictable pattern, and I find it amazing that there's a lot of people that just aren't profiting in this market on a consistent basis, and that's because you're not waiting and being patient for the proper setups. SORL right here, this is a prime example. We'll switch to the daily chart here quickly. This should have been on your radar from the other day with this move here, this breakout. Now you put it up on a separate watch list. It probably would have continued higher, but there's a pretty infamous chat room that was alerted to this. So you're going to have that sell off. You're going to have all those people kind of just selling it down, and then traders become disinterested in it because of the negative price action in the morning on this day. So now you're going to watch for that mid candle kind of breakout. So right at the halfway point of the first green candle where it's red, you're going to want to watch the next day for a bounce. Plus the 9 EMA is very close to that level as well. Now you could buy it there and that's fine. But let's say you miss that move. Now you mark out, let me give a 5-minute chart here. There we go. So you're going to mark out, let's say you missed the move, right? You see how this, the first day's high acted as, or sorry, the second day's high before it started selling off acts as resistance. So you're going to want to mark that high right there. You see exactly where it bumped into and then kind of pulled back. Now this is a dead giveaway right here that there's most likely going to be a continuation. You see that all day kind of consolidation. It's consolidating around the 9 EMA and above the VWAP. Definitely should have been on some radar. You mark your trend line for today's high of day, and that would have been, I think, Tuesday's high as well. And just wait for the break. As soon as it breaks, you can just kind of set a, this is, I've went over this before. This is how I like to set orders for breakouts. When you have time, you can just have an order placed and you can just kind of forget about it, and you know that you'll get executed and you won't miss this breakout. So SORL. And then you'll want to set a stop limit buy order, so stop limit, and that breakout price is 637. So we'll put in a stop price. You always want to go, you want to make sure that that's going to break. So let's go a penny or two higher. So we'll go at 638. So you're going to want to put that your stop in at that, and then the limit, we'll go a few cents just in case it gets really crazy and volatile. We don't want to miss that. So let's go, I don't know, 641. So that'll give you a couple cents, and then all you do is press buy, and your order will be waiting for, as soon as this breaks, it'll get executed and you're good to go. Now look at that move that you would have got so far. I mean, not necessarily you're going to get a move like this, but it's a good entry even if you wanted to take a swing trade, because you're going to have some of the stubborn shorts that are still in. This would have been their absolute cutoff point. They'll be covering. Mind you, there wouldn't be a lot of shorts left, don't get me wrong. This is mainly just people buying. You see the buying pressure come in as soon as you have that break, right? So it would be a good entry for a swing trade as well. Now you have that perfect buy-in point, and this on the daily chart definitely has some room to run. It's open skies on the daily going back over a year. I believe it's on, yeah, this, like, we're going back. The next high would be, what do we got here? We got roughly 6 years. So, I mean, it's fairly new territory. at least recently anyways. So that's how you play a multi-day, multi-week, multi-month, multi-year breakout. Right there. That is the easiest way to do it. Very stress-free, very simple to do, very predictable. So if you're not profiting in a market like this, hit me up in the comments section and let's maybe try and fix that. We'll go over some setups that if you just stick to those setups only, you're going to be profitable. There's no way around it. These are go-to setups, man. I mean, it's very easy to profit if you stick to certain key setups. Will you have losses? Yes, that's just what trading is about. But you will be profitable more times than you are not profitable. So okay, that's all I really wanted to say and show you guys here. I missed this. I've been kind of doing other things. I don't really trade too much at this hour of the day, so that's fine. I will just be looking for a continuation play tomorrow because I expect this to go higher. I do expect this to gap up. We'll probably have a run up into the close and after hours, and then there'll be some pre-market buying. So I'll look for a dip. Come the morning, a little bit of a sell-off for people just taking profits, just a profit-taking type of dip, and then get in on a red to green, or if it's showing strength, just get right in, right on the dip, because I do expect this to go higher. So that's all I want to say. Thanks for your time, and I hope you guys really soak this type of knowledge in. And Daisy, my cat's being crazy. Soak this in and pay attention to it because these are very easy, profitable, predictable plays. Thanks, guys. Any questions, make sure don't hesitate to leave a comment in the box below. Thank you.